I brought some skinny shoes back. Gorilla! What the hell? What the hell? Bhai sahab, it's raining. Grab the sneakers. Run! I'm gonna get it. इसीलिए आना होता है दूसरी जल्दी. इसीलिए. I love to suffer. I really love this. क्या कहते हैं इसको? It was so bad. You wanna see something? I want to tell you this T-shirt's backstory. Oh, I wished at that very moment. I'm starting this book. It's called. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Where is I have to go to the post office today to deliver some parcel, and you're coming with me क्योंकि मौसम खराब है and I don't want to go alone, so you're coming with me. Yeah. And I have not packed a single thing yet. I have to pack these. So let's get started. If anyone knows, can you please tell me a tip जिसमें ऐसा लगे कि कैमरा में it's not fluttering. What is this happening? Yeah, whatever. I have just woken up and I think I should take a shower, but I want to shave my face. I look like a and it's been a few days since I've been back from the trip, from the trip I brought some skinny shoes back, so yeah, we'll be taking care of these, but I need to shave my face because I look like a gorilla. Okay, I'll pack these. The first one that I'm gonna pack is this dress. Wait a second, hold on a second. Yeah, it's a very pretty kind of backless dress. Not kind of, it is. It's very pretty, so pretty. And this color, you don't know how much I love this color. Let me get the perfume. I perfumed it a little. मेरा पूरा ध्यान ना सिर्फ इस लाइट पे जा रहा है. I don't know why is it doing that. ये कहाँ से खुला है? Okay. Wait. This is the dress. I won't seal it just yet because I might get confused as to what I put in what bag. Next is this one. I think I should remove. I don't know why I do this. Yeah, because ये जो चीज ये क्या कहते हैं इसको टैग ये कई बार लगता है गले पे. What the hell? What the hell? भाई साहब ये कितने सारे हो गया almost done. Baby girl, अब ये तुम्हारे गले पे नहीं लगेगा. I got you. I have almost had all the photos. This is such a pretty shirt, but I really want some polka dot pattern clothing item in black and white. I don't know what it is. Yeah, in brown or blue or anything, but it's not in brown. Yes, done. There was one more top, but I have washed it. These were washed already. I have washed that one and sent some other. It's raining again. I think अगर तुम्हें background की आवाज़ आ नहीं रही होगी, जो तुम्हें आ रही होगी, but it's raining. मैं इसी बारिश में जाऊँगी. देखिए सही. क्योंकि मैं बारिश में जाऊँगी और ये सारा सामान है तो I think I'll have to take a bigger bag. What bag should I do? And that again I have to match with my outfit, so it'll take a lot of. Oh, abhi I know I should go for a simple outfit, but listen, this is the bag. This is the kurti that I'm thinking of taking with the bag, with the fit, like the whole fit. But मैं इसके नीचे I have to take shoes. I don't want to wear any chappals or anything, belly flats today. ये बैग थोड़ा ethnic type है तो इसके साथ थोड़ा ethnic type outfit होना चाहिए ना. But the jeans won't make sense with this bag. What to do? What to do? Do I not have any dark jeans? My brain is fried. क्या मेरा दिमाग now? I just took a shower. And now I am about to get ready. I also packed the bag with all the parcels and everything. And I am hungry. Grab the Snickers. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys when I get ready. I am ready. क्या था ये? क्यों? Thanks. I'll see you guys अब रास्ते में क्योंकि I'm late. As usual. सियाने मतलब चलो. यार बारिश अभी होने लग गई. I have this ancient umbrella, which actually very ancient है. But यही वाला 3-fold है मेरे पास तो it has to work somehow, one way or the other. It has to. गीला है. I don't like rainy season, but Himachal का rainy season, I don't hate it either. Run! I'm gonna get it. I'll go wait for the bus now. कोई shops भी खुली नहीं है. Wow, the heck! I didn't even bring a cover for the umbrella. Shame. It's been a little over 10 minutes. अभी तक कोई बस नहीं आई है. ऐसे इसीलिए आना होता है दूसरी जल्दी, इसीलिए. हाउ क्यूट, हाउ प्रिटी, सच ब्यूटी. Oh my god. This is the weather right now. वाह, 3 बार देख चुकी हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है बस आ रही है, बट ये ट्रक्स ही आए जा रहे हैं. ट्रक है. There's this आयशा, I don't know आयशा ब्रांड का नाम है या आयशा जिन्हें बोलते हैं, बट वो भी है. बसेस नहीं आ रही. आई थॉट 130 बसेस आती थी, बट बसेस नहीं आ रही है यार. मतलब है कि फाइनली रीच्ड सोलन आउट ऑफ द बस में मैं नहीं शूट कर सकती थी क्योंकि वहाँ पर तो एंग्जाइटी मेरी तीसरे 4th 5th 10th लेवल पे चली जाती है. आई थिंक मुझे आज ठंड लग सकती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट आई थिंक सो. मुझे लग रही है क्योंकि थोड़ी थोड़ी. एंड आई एम सो हंग्री. आई हैवंट हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट व्हिच अभी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 PM. आई शुड हैव हैड समथिंग, बट नहीं. आई लव टू सफर. The first thing I'll have now are my banana chips. No, sorry, I could not take you to the post office with me. मैंने करा लिया post office का काम. And yeah, and I really like this. Yeah, I'm not liking ये. Get this. I think I should. It's really cute. Should I? क्या कहते हैं इसको? Food break. कोई भी सॉस नहीं डाला. I love the vegetable broth so much. खाना नहीं डाला. मीठा वाला छपना. अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे कि are you a ketchup or not a ketchup person, तब मैं क्या बोलूँगी? Yes, I am. Let's be fun. No, I am a catch. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? क्या बात है? मेरा मतलब है अगर मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम तो बोलूँ ना कि जो चीज़ें तुम ऐसे बोलती हो कि मोमो की एक ही प्लेट मंगवा ले. I am on my way back home and I thrifted quite some pieces for my page and for myself too. I will give you a haul घर जाके. Yeah, and I'm so sleepy. I had this cheese roll kind of thing. It was a cheese puff. It was so bad. It was very sweet, which it should not have been. I'm back in my area. और मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है कि मैं भूल सकती हूँ. कहीं आसपास ड्यूक होगा. Oh, I think he's sleeping. Lipstick is gone, blush is gone, everything is gone. I didn't even reapply the lipstick. You want to see something? Wait a second. Duke! Hi! अच्छा वो उधर से वेट कर रहा है. अरे I love you too. I love you too. ऊपर चलो. ऊपर. Nice. Nice. One sec. I'm sorry. Boogity boogity. You are getting boogity. Get down. ड्यूक रेडी है अंकल पे पहुंचने को. I'm back. It's my parents' 23rd anniversary and I was thinking of ordering something शाम को, but I don't think I'll be doing so. I'll again make some thing. I want to tell you this t-shirt's backstory. इसकी story ये है कि इसके कॉलर पे मुझसे some oil kind of कुछ भी था वो गिर गया था और फिर मैंने वो काट दिया. That's it. Now I'll give you a haul of the things that I bought, but I'll change these pants because मुझे ये भी थोड़ी सी tight लग रही है. Better. First piece. I think it has potential. I was not planning on buying this, but look at the colors. I could not. That's why I need to trust my vision and I need to trust what I. नीचे उतरो. I think it's really cute. I like it, I love it. And the bag, I love my choice so much. The second one, oh my god, I cannot, it's so beautiful. It's so, I might want to keep everything for myself. I know it's, but the colors are everything. And look at this. What the fuck? Yeah, cute. Everything looks great with. मैंने पहले ध्यान नहीं दिया. Look at the sleeves. Look at these sleeves. These are a little cinched and it's so pretty, but this one, as soon as I saw this, I picked it up and I said, I'm getting this. Why? It had these Doria jaisi to tie in the back. Even with these bands, it looks so cool. I love this outfit. Like, ye bhi so pretty, so cute. This one, it looks very hippie-like. I fell in love the second I saw this, and I wished at that very moment, I wished कि काश ये मेरी trip पे मेरे साथ होता. Just how, look at the sleeves. Oh my goodness. It looks so effortless and hippie and chic and something you can just throw it on you and you look cool. Like, we have the last piece left, and you might think of it as a top, but it's kind of a dress. So for this one, you really need to have a vision. It'll look great with anything. With these, it looks great. With some blue jeans, it'll look great. Even as a dress, it would look so cute. It's such a pretty, flowy, like extremely comfortable summer dress. I cannot, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Some cute cowboy boots or like any short calf length boots with a headscarf. Do I have some headscarf this color mein? I don't. But imagine with a bag. It's super cute. It is super cute. I love this. I might want to keep this again. But with this, my thrift haul is done and I want to rest because I have to cook something for my parents abhi sham ko. Bobby. Bobby. Dookie. Sundarlal. Aloo. Potato. Dal. Besan. Chole. I'm starting this book. It's called Did You Ever Love Me? Let's see.